Welcome to Review Lab. The best screen repair tape is probably one of the most surprisingly essential tools for anyone looking to quickly and effectively mend minor damage on window screens, tent mesh, or even car sunroofs, offering an immediate and cost-effective solution to prevent small tears from becoming major problems, all without the hassle of full screen replacement. Number 5. by.RHO Window Screen Repair Kit Tape XL. Are unsightly tears and holes ruining your window and door screens? Don't let damaged screens compromise your comfort and peace of mind any longer. We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing this innovative repair kit tape, designed to quickly and effectively fix any rips or holes in your screens. It's a simple and durable way to restore them. Featuring a robust 3-layer structure, it offers ultra-strong adhesive for any screen surface. This tape is built to stay on your screen door or window for a long time, providing a lasting repair. Repairing your screens has never been easier. In just 30 seconds, with no tools required, simply cut and place it over the damaged area. It's that quick and hassle-free. Stop spending money on expensive full-screen replacements. This kit instantly solves your problems, fixing holes and tears in window screens, screen doors, tent mesh, and even RV screens. It's a smart and economical choice. Crafted from high-quality fiberglass, this XL 15-foot tape resists both high and low temperatures. Plus, it contains no hazardous substances, ensuring safety for you and your family. What we like. This tape boasts a unique 3-layer structure for ultra-strong adhesion, ensuring it stays on your screen for a long time. If you're looking for a super durable and long-lasting fix that's also incredibly easy to apply, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for quick, permanent repairs on various screen types without needing any tools. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points about tape for screen repair could be extracted. Number 4. by.RHO Screen Repair Tape. Don't let damaged screens ruin your view or invite unwanted guests. This innovative solution is here to help you restore them quickly and effectively. Featuring a robust 3-layer structure, it boasts an ultra-strong adhesive that bonds securely to any screen. This ensures it stays firmly in place on your window or door for extended periods. Repairing your screens has never been simpler. With no tools required, you can cut it to size and apply it in just 5 seconds, effortlessly covering tears and holes. Stop spending a fortune on costly screen replacements. This quick and easy fix allows you to save your money and energy, providing a smart alternative. Made from high-quality fiberglass, it's resistant to extreme temperatures and free from outdoor substances. Its extra-wide size makes it perfect for fixing various screens, from windows to RVs. What we like. Featuring an extra-wide 4-inch design, this tape is ideal for covering larger tears and holes with ease. Its ultra-strong adhesive ensures a secure and lasting bond, and it's incredibly fast to apply, taking only 5 seconds. If you have bigger screen damage and need a quick, wide coverage solution, this product is designed for you. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. Number 3. Gaffer Power Clear Repair Tape 2 by 20 yards. This tape offers the incredible strength of duct tape, but with a semi-transparent finish. It blends seamlessly into surfaces, providing clean, nearly invisible repairs. Use it to fix plastic, glass, vinyl, and screens with ease. Its unique design ensures your repairs are both strong and visually unobtrusive. Built to withstand rain, humidity, and temperature changes, it forms a strong, lasting seal. This makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. Perfect for sealing cracks, patching tears, or reinforcing surfaces. You'll find it indispensable for general fixes around your home, garage, or job site. Its flexible backing allows for quick tearing by hand and smooth application. This ensures fast, hassle-free repairs exactly when you need them. Manufactured with premium materials, it delivers consistent strength and durability. This product is designed to perform reliably even in demanding conditions. What we like. This unique tape offers a semi-transparent finish, making repairs discreet and nearly invisible on various surfaces. It's built to be highly weather resistant, perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. If you prioritize aesthetics and need a strong, subtle repair for screens or other items, this versatile option is your go-to. What people say. Number 2. ACEBON Window Screen Repair Tape. Are unsightly tears and holes ruining your window and door screens? Don't let damaged screens compromise your comfort and peace of mind any longer. We have the perfect solution for you. This repair tape is crafted from tough fiberglass cloth mesh, ensuring a heavy-duty construction. It's not only tear-resistant but also eco-friendly and fireproof, providing lasting durability. Featuring a strong adhesive, it effectively fixes holes and tears in various screens, from windows and doors to tents and RVs. Once applied, air won't pass through the repaired area, maintaining screen integrity. Measuring 2 inches by 80 inches, this tape offers ample material for multiple repairs. You can easily cut it to any size needed, making it versatile for various screen damages. Installation is incredibly simple, taking only about 30 seconds. Just cut it to your desired size and place it over the damaged area. No special tools are required for this quick and easy repair. Stop spending on expensive full screen replacements. This tape provides an instant, cost-effective solution to your screen problems. It saves you both money and energy. What we like. Made from the toughest heavy mesh fiberglass, this tape offers exceptional durability and fireproof properties. With an impressive 80-inch length, it provides ample material for multiple repairs. If you need a robust, tear-resistant solution for extensive or repeated screen fixes and value a larger quantity, this roll offers great value. What people say. Number 1. Gaffer Power Screen Repair Tape. Don't pay for expensive screen replacements. This product lets you patch small holes and tears in minutes. It's a fast, cost-saving repair that restores coverage and helps keep bugs out. It features a high-tenacity fiberglass mesh for a durable repair. This is designed to adhere securely to your existing screen mesh. It creates a low-profile patch that blends in. This tape is built to withstand outdoor conditions. It holds up through heat, sun, and everyday wear. You can use it on window screens, patio doors, RV screens, and even camping gear. Its fine black mesh is designed to be less noticeable. This helps preserve your view without an obvious taped-up look. It offers a discreet repair that blends seamlessly. Installation is fast and requires no tools. Simply cut it to size, peel, stick, and press firmly. For the best hold, remember to trim any frayed strands and press down the edges. What we like. This tape features a fine black mesh designed to blend in seamlessly, offering a discreet repair that's less noticeable. It's specifically built for outdoor use, holding up well against heat and sun. If you want an unobtrusive fix that maintains your view and is reliable for exterior screens, this durable patch is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.